Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the brand new helmet, my brand new helmet, the MT Revenge in Binomi graphics, and we're gonna unbox it right now. So let's get it started.
Check this.
Alright, guys, welcome back. First, I really want to give a massive shout out to Mr. Gagandeep, the owner of Open Road Pune, for helping me out with this purchase. Initially, I had gone for a different helmet, the MT Thunder 3 SV with the sun visor, but then since I already had a different helmet in mind, I decided to switch up to the Revenge. So I will give you a short tour of his store. I highly recommend, if you are looking for good quality riding gear, you should check out his store in Pune. So go check that out and leave a comment about what do you think. Alright, guys, welcome back. So I hope you liked that little walk around of Open Road. Now I'll give you a brief look at the box. It says that it's an advanced polycarbonate shell, 2 years warranty, very important. It says full of security, technology, design, and quality and comfort. And on this side we got the manufacturing Tomas, which is Spain. This is MT Helmets is a Spanish company. You can follow them on their social medias, the Twitter handle, the Facebook, as well as their Instagram page. Let me just open this box up. Obviously I tried the helmet, so Okay, first thing first, I have got an extra smoked visor because you guys know how much I like tinted visors. I wanted the mirror one, but iridium mirror one, but that wasn't available. Spartan as well as Gagandeep have told me that they will let me know as soon as it's in stock. So this is the extra visor that I picked up, and this is the helmet itself. It comes in this. Let me just get it out. Boom! So this is it. It comes in this really nice, soft and high quality dust bag. So if you're, I would say guys, always carry this bag with you because your helmet does tend to get scratches when you are carrying it around. Say you're in a mall or you've gone with your friends to some restaurant or on a Sunday ride or something. So it helps to have this bag with you. It doesn't take a lot of space as well. So let me just quickly open it up and reveal the helmet. All right, so here we go. Boom! Wait a minute, why is it white and black? That's because it's the binomial graphic, guys. I told you earlier. Look at this. It's got this flaming red or orange on one side, and it's got white, and it's matte black. I love this 3D empty logo right here. Now let's see what it says on the visor. Now guys, this is probably one of the main reasons why I went with this helmet. It's the only helmet that you'll get at this price point which is sharp 5-star rated, the highest rating by this UK agency. I will leave the link down below if you want to see this. Now the other part, it says it's max vision pin lock ready. This is the new pin lock system which covers the maximum thing. Now you can see the homologations. For Europe it's ECE certified, Brazil is NBR, US it's DOT, Colombia NTC, and product is tested by this company. I have no idea about it. Also guys, this is not a Snell rated. I don't know, sometimes people get confused. Now it's got a quick release for the visors. It's 2.2 mm in thickness, anti-scratch obviously, and PCE lenses means the vision is corrected. Now you can see here it's imported by Spartan Pro Gear in India. Brand is MT Revenge by Nomi, matte black, white, fluoro orange. Alright, that's what it's called. XL, and it cost me 7,475. That's inclusive of taxes. Now let me just run through the main features. First of all guys, this is a race shell configuration. That means it can be used for track days. Look at this. Look at how beautiful the orange, black, and this graphic just looks. It's already starting to pick up my fingerprints because it's a matte finish. That's what you can this is probably my first matte helmet. So as for air intakes guys, it has one on the chin, two on the top here, which are very easily open and closed, and for the exhaust vents, it's got this neat closable exhaust on the top back, 4 ports here, and it's got 2 passive exhausts at the rear. You can see the weight, it says 1450 grams. The DOT and ECE badging. Sharp doesn't have a badging, but they've put it on the graphics. As for look at this guys, I can say the quality of these materials is really good. It comes with a chin curtain to help reduce the noise, also any bugs that might fly in. The double D fasteners, which are the safest. I know on the website, the MT Helmets website, it says it has a micrometric fastener, which is a standard in the Europe, but maybe for India and for racing use, this is what is standard. There are some goodies here as well, which I have not opened up as yet. Now, this is a reflective patch, guys, so this should help you stay visible at night, specifically from vehicles coming from behind. This is the opening mechanism. It's really easy, guys. You just have to pull down the tab and the visor pops out. So this is what you get inside the box. This is the helmet instructions. So I guess it should cover all the basics, like it's about storage, cleaning, and things like how to tie the D-ring, and it's got information in a few other languages as well. So really handy. Most helmets do not come with any instructions whatsoever, so thank you MT Helmets. Then it comes with this is world standard, so all their ratings are here, and this is a sticker. I love stickers. Wow, a nice rubber MT Helmets keychain, keyring. Thank you. Might come in handy sometimes, might give it away, I don't know. And it comes with this important 2-year warranty card with a unique number right there. Cool. 2 years warranty. Now let's do the grand thing of peeling the sticker. I know everyone loves this. Final QC passed, it says, and there we go. Slowly. Yes, yay! And the helmet has been revealed. Hit that like button, guys, if you're enjoying this video. The opening and closing of the visor is only on the left hand side, but that's okay. You should be only using your clutch hand anyways. Even these vents can be opened and closed really easy. Alright guys, so let me show you this insides now. Really well made, really strong. It's got a, I don't know if I can show you the insides here. There you go. Now guys, this helmet is ready for accepting a Bluetooth communication system. So it has the speaker pockets on both the sides where you can mount, so that is being taken care of. My previous helmet did not have that, so this is definitely an upgrade. And this is it, guys. I will probably put some footage of me riding with this helmet and my other gear in a later video. So if you enjoyed watching this video, guys, do hit that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe and make sure you enable those notifications. I do a lot of reviews along with motovlogs and test rides and a lot of random stuff, fun stuff as well, because that's why we buy these bikes, don't we? So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.